it's your girl Kami, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Yeah, so this is not a clickbait, no. For this video, I did not make an intro to this video because at the time where I was to make the intro, I was busy and all of that, and then my cab came. So yes, this is the video, not clickbait. So have fun, watch the video. The video is all over the place, but I mean, I tried my first travel vlog, so enjoy it. So yeah guys, I just checked in here and it wasn't easy. They wanted to stress me because they did not understand my residence permit. I don't know why, but yeah, I've checked in and I'm all good, so I'm just chilling. Oh my god, I look like a hot mess. So yeah guys, I'm actually just waiting here because my gate is not out. I think it will be out by 7:25 here, and then I can go to my gate. And yeah, so I'm just chilling and I'm sleepy. My face is swollen. So guys, I've gotten my bag and all here, but then I'm waiting for someone, and I am certain that she's not here yet. I'm sure, and I don't know what to do. I think I'll just go. Let's just see what will happen. I'll look for her. She'll find me. Thank you so much.
All right.
See the human being I've been waiting for, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Anini. Stupid. See, you're making me feel bad. Oh. You're with the camera, I'm with the phone.
It's fine. Welcome back.
Thank you. See my bag. Why are you quiet? My train is here. So yeah, I'm home, guys. Yeah, I arrived home safely. Thank God. It was quite not stressful because I met people at the airport that helped me out, but I was tired. Yeah, I think you saw it in my face or my eyes. Yeah, I was tired. I needed to sleep. So yeah, guys, and again, I traveled without telling my dad. Yeah, my dad did not know, just my mom and my sister, and I wanted to surprise my dad, and I did not get like a good video, so I did not put it in. I'm really sorry, guys, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you will be notified anytime I post a video. So yeah, thank you. Don't forget, I post every Friday, so I'll see you all next Friday. Mwah.